I'm Rob McConnell. I'm the Environmental Health Division Chief in the Department of Population and Public Health Sciences. So we do research on some of the major public health problems of our time, including climate change and health, air pollution, metals, and persistent organic pollutants. We look at effects on brain, lungs, cardiometabolic disease, and cancer. We have expertise in the exposome, that is the totality of chemical, social, and built environment exposures. We have modeling expertise integrating these exposures with other omics layers to understand the biology of effects of exposures that we're interested in. We have several large cohorts across the division, the department, and in collaborations elsewhere, and we've made seminal contributions to areas in our expertise over the years, including many papers in some of the leading medical journals that have been first authored by students and postdoctoral fellows. We have recent publications and grants on polyfluorinated alkyl substances, so-called forever chemicals, that have major effects and emerging effects on almost every organ in the body. Our group is particularly interested in the effects of these exposures on liver and on the exposures that occur as a result of contaminated drinking water, which is becoming increasingly widespread and understood to be more toxic as the research is developing. We're perhaps best known for our work on air pollution. We've made important contributions to the public health literature and to our understanding of air pollution effects on brain across the lifespan, from autism in early life to effects on brain structure and function in adolescence, to effects on the aging brain in adults. We've also shown effects of air pollution on respiratory health, on early markers for cardiovascular disease in children, and on cardiometabolic outcomes, including diabetes and prediabetes. We have a growing teaching program and a very strong mentor tradition spanning from high school all the way through mid-career in terms of our career development program here in the division. We have a long-standing training grant that we share with biostatistics focused on environmental omics. It's an excellent environment in which to learn about environment and various genomics and other omics. We have particular emphasis on training students to write and author papers, and many of our most important papers are first authored by students and postdoctoral fellows. We work especially closely in training with the Division of Biostatistics, which is perhaps our closest collaboration in the department, although we work with groups across the department and outside of the department to provide good training experiences to students and trainees at all levels. Our trainees have gone on to important senior faculty positions across the course of their career, to careers in governments, public health agency, and in the private sector. So what I like best about this job is the opportunity that it gives us to have an impact on public health. We have an exceedingly strong group that does community engaged and environmental justice research. We have a faculty that's committed to science communication, and you'll find them working with community groups to provide the best science available so that they can affect policy change, and you'll find us on government advisory committees and testifying at the invitation of city councils all the way to congressional committees. This is a job where you can really have an impact on the future of the world. We have a well-funded research program. In particular, we have 4 centers among 15 faculty members, including 3 large centers that are funded by NIH. This gives us a lot of resources to be able to do research and training, including seminars, working groups on different aspects of our research, pilot projects that are available to get faculty started in new areas and which are also available to postdoctoral fellows developing their careers.